Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads Infiniti QX60 full guide. Begin by loosening the lug nuts slightly while the car is on the ground and chocking the rear wheels. Then lift the vehicle with a jack and secure it on jack stands at the proper lift points. Remove the wheel, inspect the rotor, and have a plan for caliper removal and pad replacement. Compressing the caliper piston may be needed before installing new pads, so position a C-clamp or piston tool and protect the piston surface. Before compressing, open the master cylinder cap to avoid pressure buildup and pump the brake pedal gently if needed. Clean the caliper bracket and apply brake grease to the contact points. Fit new shims and pads, verify correct orientation, and reassemble the caliper securely. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. I used it between steps to stay focused and hands-free, and it's handy when working in the driveway. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After reassembling, double-check all fasteners and torque values, then lower the vehicle carefully. Pump the brake pedal until it feels firm, and check the brake fluid reservoir level, adjusting if necessary. Inspect for leaks around calipers and hoses, then perform a careful low-speed test drive to bed the new pads and ensure proper braking performance. Recheck lug nut torque after a short drive for safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.